Today, I have chosen a beautiful home to show you all over in the Fox Farm neighborhood of Big Bear Lake. Come take a look. Okay, we are over off of Fox Farm Road today. So I'm going to take you to take a look at the hidden estate. So our address here is 42470 Fox Farm Road. And we just hit the market for $1,450,000. So you're coming in on your paved private road, and you're surrounded by these beautiful, tall, mature trees. You've got some neighbors on some sides of you, but the trees do a good job blocking them. So right here, you've got plenty of extra parking. So you probably fit, I would guess, upwards of like 20 plus cars on the property. So our total land here is just about 1.5 acres. And there is some mature fruit trees. So if you take a look, they look like cherries and apples. So here we have a look outside. And they've got some beautiful ivy growing on these trees too. So in total, the house is 7 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. It's gorgeously landscaped. And our square footage is 3,381 square foot. So front entrance, and it's got lifetime decking, really peaceful and quiet. Got plenty of RV parking, boat storage. And this luxury home is currently being managed as a short-term rental by SoCal Vacations. So we enter. This is just like a living room. You could easily turn it into an office if you wanted to. Could be an extra bedroom. Check out that sign. So let's go this way first. So locked closet. Can't tell you what's in there right now. But you've got a nice pool table room. And I kid you not, they have got TVs in just about every room. They have beautiful mountain touches that they've done all throughout. And then this is the master. So on the main floor, which is usually important, big high ceilings, TV, fireplace. Check out this shower. And you've got dual sinks. Nice jacuzzi tub. Toilet. Check out this nice big walk-in closet. All finished off too. So a couple of the upgrades that these owners had done to it is they put a brand new heating system in it, and then they've also put air conditioning in the home. So if you've been looking at Big Bear real estate for a little while, you will find that air conditioning is quite rare. And they have it in the home. And it actually feels really, really good in here. They also installed all new flooring throughout the home. Some nice hardwood. Love the light color. It matches all the other wood features in the home. So dining room. And that sign is awesome. From here, you can see upstairs a little bit. Go into the kitchen. We have a pantry. And so this home, it's been a rental for a little bit of time now. And they are wildly successful with this one. So much that it was hard to get people in here to view it. They are making 6 figures on their income. They have a dishwasher or garbage disposal right there. I will take you outside really quick. So it's fenced in. Got a little tetherball court, horseshoe pits. There's the AC units over there. Another thing to note about this is it's got great sledding, like natural sledding opportunities for the people that are staying here. Go right down that hill. Again, that lifetime decking. And then like all rentals, you gotta have your barbecue, your spa, and your outdoor fireplace. These are the only fireplaces that are legal up here. Something that does not spark any flames outside. So the outside is in great shape. Paint job really done nicely. This is our main living room. And you've got your laundry room. Bunk beds. High ceilings. And then a 3-car garage that you could easily make into a game room or store your things while you're not renting the home out. And a few things to note about the location. You are just minutes away from Big Bear Lake. I mean, you're in Big Bear Lake, but the actual lake. Just minutes away, right down the street from the grocery stores. And then you are also right around the corner from trails and the ski slopes. So I love their branding, the Hidden Estate. foosball, bunch of different living rooms, which is kind of nice when you're using a property as a vacation rental. Little skylights. This door can close this wing off right here. So full bathroom in between two bedrooms. So this kind of seems like the kids' wing down here, because as you can see, you can really pack them in here. Just beautiful views out here, just trees, trees. Roof, I can see from here, looks like it's in very good shape too. And then we will go down to the other wing. So this home was also built in 2005. Secret trapdoor. Probably a laundry chute that they don't want children playing inside of. Oh, I forgot the light in here. I missed this bedroom earlier. So this is bedroom 6. Also has its own TV. And then we're gonna go into our last bedroom. So again, kind of set up for lots of sleeping in here, at least 3 people in this one. Got views, the backyard. I'm sure it likely could have a ski slope view. You've also got Connect 4, and this is really fun. I've never seen a Scrabble board before. It's magnetic. So let me know what you think. The home is listed for $1.45 million, and we are having an open house on it tomorrow. Come take a look. Bye.